his house after the horse that brought him fame. The ski resort of Val D'Isere in the French Alps, as it was before the disastrous avalanche which killed 42 people and injured another 60. Whipped by a 60-mile-an-hour wind, thousands of tons of snow hurtled down the slopes of the Dome Mountain, severely damaged a large hotel, and swept through a hostel where young skiers were having breakfast. This winter already ranks as one of the worst in the history of alpine avalanches. A second fall at Val D'Isere has been followed more recently by severe falls in Switzerland, the Austrian Tyrol, and at Lens-le-Vilain, also in the French Alps. Another tragedy, as all 38 passengers and the crew of 9 lost their lives when